Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks and this is the Spypoint Micro LTE. And that's fast cellular data transfer with all 4 major UK phone networks, allowing you to track animals day and night, observe their habits and see pictures on your phone, tablet or PC from wherever there's a phone signal without the need to routinely disturb the location. You won't find a more ultra-compact trail camera because this is as small as they come, and that means it's more easily concealed. You can mount it on a tripod, but you're more likely to strap this Spypoint to a tree, adding a cable through here for greater security if needed, or you can opt for the Spypoint Still Security Box. Spypoint makes setting up simple. Download the free app to your phone, scan the QR code to activate your camera, stick in 8 AA batteries, go for long-lasting ones, but if you do want rechargeable, Spypoint have an option for that. Slot in a formatted micro SD card, turn it on, adjust the antenna to get a good signal, and that flash means you have 30 seconds to get out of the way. That's it. And if your Spypoint detects movement within 80 feet, the 10 megapixel camera triggers in half a second to take a colour picture by day, or at night illuminate up to 80 feet with infrared and capture a black and white image. All your HD images are saved to the micro SD card and stamped with a date, time, moon phase and temperature. But that cellular antenna sends your phone copies too, and it also allows you to communicate with your device. So you can check the battery status, signal strength, number of photos taken and control all manner of settings from when you want the camera to operate, add a delay between shots, schedule when you want pictures to be sent to you and configure the camera to put you in control so you get the maximum benefit from your Spypoint. And when it comes to control, the Spypoint Link app offers 4 plan options from 100 photos a month for free to unlimited. You get a 30-day free trial of the unlimited plan and you can switch between plans as your needs change. This is the Spypoint Link Micro LTE. It's small, it works through your phone, and it comes with a 2-year guarantee. You can find out more at thomasjacks.co.uk, or for more videos like this, click subscribe. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.